Hello family, Sir here, and in this video we are going to give a house tour for a property here in Steele Creek. Now that is in South Charlotte, zip code 28278. Now this home was built in 2014. It is just under 2,800 square feet. It is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath. Now when you come in and look at the property, I want you to see the layout. Do not be distracted by the furniture or some of the paint choices. That causes it to look, the property to look a little dated, but I want you to see what you can do with the space and the amazing backyard that is low maintenance, but you can entertain. Before we jump into it, let me introduce myself. My name is Sir Ashley. I am a realtor and investor here in the greater Charlotte area, both North and South Carolina. If I can help you in any way, please reach out. And on this channel, we talk about money, real estate, and all things Charlotte. Come on inside, let's take a look and leave some comments below. Let me know what your thoughts are regarding the property. And right now, presently, they're asking $370 for it. All right, let's jump into the house tour.
Let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sun said it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right. Dance, dance, now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance, 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 come on. Dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time.